Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Today, July 27th, we are covering the top 5 Indian stocks making the biggest moves across banking and financials, energy and power, IT and technology, pharma, metals and mining, one standout name from each sector. Let us break down today's biggest sector movers, one at a time. First up in banking and financials. Bajaj Finance is down -2.60%, trading at 1012.80 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by RBI keeps repo rate unchanged, projects India's real GDP growth for current fiscal at 6.9%, news on air. AUM growth guidance and credit cost assumptions are the two numbers that drive the stock. Any upgrade to AUM guidance signals demand confidence, any deterioration in 90-plus day delinquencies is the early warning. The cross-sell ratio, products per customer, is the moat metric to track. Moving to energy and power. ONGC dipped -1.43% to 248.76 Indian rupees. Traders are reacting to news that Wall Street indexes dip with technology earnings, rising oil in focus. After today's weakness, the 241.30 Indian rupees area is the first meaningful support level to watch for ONGC. A stabilization there would be the first sign that sellers are losing conviction. This is our analytical view, not investment advice. Moving to IT and technology. Wipro is up +1.32%, trading at 175.12 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that Wall Street indexes dip with technology earnings, rising oil in focus. Revenue growth trajectory is the primary debate. Wipro has underperformed IT peers on organic growth for 2 years. Any acceleration above 2 to 3% sequential growth would signal a turn. Large deal TCV and pipeline are the leading indicators. Moving to pharma. Dr. Reddy's dipped -1.25% to 1,151.70 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Wall Street indexes dip with technology earnings, rising oil in focus. After today's weakness, the 1,117.15 Indian rupees area is the first meaningful support level to watch for Dr. Reddy's. A stabilization there would be the first sign that sellers are losing conviction. This is our analytical view, not investment advice. Moving to metals and mining. Tata Steel dipped -0.85% to 182.67 Indian rupees. Traders are reacting to news that gold, silver, rare earths, and copper, public companies present at the -23 Precious Metals and Critical Minerals Virtual Investor Conference, Yahoo Finance. With Tata Steel moving sideways today, the market is effectively waiting for a fresh catalyst. The 187.24 Indian rupees level above and 178.10 Indian rupees below are the levels to monitor for the next directional signal. Now let us zoom out to the broader macro picture for Indian markets. The rupee is strengthening against the dollar, trading at 96.55, which matters for import and export-heavy sectors alike. Foreign institutional investor flows remain the key swing factor for Indian equities in the sessions ahead. Here is what we will be watching closely in the days ahead. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. We do the research so you do not have to hours of analysis distilled into actionable daily briefings. If that is valuable, please hit the like button. It is the single best way to support independent market analysis and help us reach more investors. Subscribe and turn on notifications for tomorrow's briefing. Drop your view in the comments. Are you bullish or bearish from here? That is all from MTRS_Market Pulse for today. All analysis is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor. Trade safe, and we will see you in the next one. That is today's top 5 Indian stocks from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily sector-wise coverage of Indian and global markets.